So today I'm going to be installing the SYGAV Android radio into a 2020 Jeep Gladiator. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my little plastic trim tool and I'm going to pry it right here. And I've already got it pried back a little bit from my CB mount. I'm going to kind of slowly work my way around and pop off this dash piece. And it should just pop right out. Honestly, I may already have it. You kind of hear it click a little as it comes out. And then once you get this out enough, you will be able to actually unplug the dash piece. And once you've got the dash piece off, you're going to see a little clip on the top right here for the HVAC, if you've got the HVAC in your Jeep. And then you're also going to unplug the power, so therefore you can just go ahead and take that whole entire HVAC piece off, and we're just going to set that down right there for now. Next piece is I'm going to work on trying to pop off the bezel for the radio, and I'll show you once I get that off. Pop off the bezel, we're going to take out these two screws at the bottom. There's one right here. And there's another one right over here. Once we have those out, we should just be able to pop this right off. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just kind of pulling on the bottom part of the bezel here. And it's just unclicking. And we'll kind of work our way around and pull the whole thing off. Now that we've gotten the bezel piece out, we're going to take out the 4 screws that are there, up there, and right there. So we're going to take out all 4 of those and then take the radio out. If we got all 4 of those screws done, the radio's just going to come right out, and we're just going to unplug everything off of the back of the radio right now. What I wanted to bring up is on this really big power plug on the back of the radio, you had to push in, I don't know if you can see it very well, this little thing right here. When you did, this came up, and then once that came up, you could pull the whole entire plug out of the back of the radio. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to plug the radio plug for the actual screen into the Jeep plug. You're going to plug your GPS in right up here, and what I did was I drilled a hole underneath this, and I put my GPS unit right there. I've also put my mic right here, and again, your mic's going to go in the auxiliary port right there. Then you're going to have your radio antenna, and that's going to plug to this, if I can find it right there, this white FACRA cable. There's an adapter for that. You're going to plug that into there, and then there's your Wi-Fi antenna. Now, the one thing that I've done differently is this box right here is the Jeep camera adapter. That is my backup camera running into a box. It has to have a constant power, which I ran to the red wire of the Jeep harness. And then you also have to run the ACC. So I tapped into an automatic hot, an ACC hot on the radio. And so that's actually what's going to allow my backup camera to work. Now I'm going to show you some features of the actual radio. So I'm going to start up my radio now. It's going to show both my doors being open. So now here's the radio. So one of the cool things is when I put this into reverse, it's going to show my backup camera. Put it into park, it's going to show all the features. I'm going to turn my air up and see it's going to show the changing. I'm going to turn up the volume and it's going to show both sides. Now what I can do is I can scroll over here, scroll right here, and I can choose ACC, and it's going to show me my car, and I can change all of the air via touchscreen as well. So I can go up and down with all of that. Now, another cool feature that this offers is it is a full Android tablet, right? So you can download YouTube and Gmail, and so I can go into my YouTube and, you know, pull up whatever I want to once I'm connected to the internet. And it being an Android tablet, I can just go down here and select my Wi-Fi, and it'll pull up. You can also hotspot from your phone and make some changes like that. So you can do all of those features, connect to Wi-Fi. And then I can also do my air controls. That was really important to me as well. So overall, very satisfied with the SYGAV radio.